Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear students around the world. Welcome to your new channel of English YouTube classes, English Pronunciation Course, Lesson 29. English Pronunciation Course with Moroccan tutor Hassane, Lesson 29. The phonetic sound we are going to study today is A, A, A. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun pronouncing English words. By the end of this pronunciation lesson 29, you will have practiced and focused mainly on the phonetic sound or the pronunciation of the phonetic sound A, A, A. Let's continue. The sound A is generally present in words that have the letter U. So we studied in the previous lessons the same sound A when we have O or OU. So today we are going to study just when we have the letter U. And I repeat, U isn't always pronounced A. So sometimes it is pronounced A, sometimes it's pronounced U, so it has many different pronunciations. But in this lesson, we are going to focus just on the words that have U, but it is pronounced A. So this is from the very beginning to be clear to you. So let's see the first example. The first word is pronounced bud. Bud. The second word, bug. Bug. So let's repeat after me the first word, bud, bud. So it's not bad. Bad is another word. So bad is written B-A-D. This one, it's not bad, it's bud, bud. The second one, it's not bag, bag. So B-A-G. No, it's bug, bug. It's strong. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced but, but. The second word, the same pronunciation, but, but. But the two words are different in meaning. Let's repeat after me the first word, but, but. The second word, the same pronunciation, but, but. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced cub, cub. The second word, cubs, cubs. Let's repeat after me the first word, cub, cub. The second word, cubs, cubs. Let's continue. The first word is cat. So it's not cat. Cat is the animal, but this is cat, the verb to cat. So you should make the difference between cat, the animal, cat. This one is cat, strong, cat. The second word, cater, cater. Let's repeat after me the first word, cat, cat. The second word, cater, cater. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is dug. So the past of dig, dug. The second word is done, done. Let's repeat after me the first word, dug, dug. The second word, done, done. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is gun, gun. The second word, the plural of gun, guns, guns. Let's repeat after me the first word, gun, gun. The second word, guns, guns. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is gut, gut. The second word, guts, guts. Let's repeat after me the first word, gut, gut. The second word, guts, guts. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is hub, hub. The second word, hat, hat. So it's different from hat, hat. So this one is with A, it's hat, but this one is hat, strong, hat. Let's repeat after me the first word, hab, hab. The second word, hat, hat. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is mug, mug. The second word, mugger, mugger. Let's repeat after me the first word, mug, mug. The second word, mugger, mugger. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is mum, mum. The second word, mummy, mummy. Let's repeat after me the first word, mum, mum. The second word, mummy, mummy. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is must, must. The second word is master, master. Let's repeat after me the first word, must, must. The second word, master, master. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is nun, nun. Nun is a religious woman. The plural, nuns, nuns. Let's repeat after me the first word, nun, nun. The second word, nuns, nuns. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pub, pub. The second word, pubs, pubs. Let's repeat after me the first word, pub, pub. The second word, pubs, pubs. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is rub, rub. The second word, rubs, rubs. So it's a verb, and the second one with he, she, it, rubs in present simple. So let's repeat after me the first verb, rub, rub. The second word, rubs, rubs. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is rubber. So we rub with a rubber, rubber, rubber. The second word, other, other. Let's repeat after me the first word, rubber, rubber. The second word, other, other. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is rug, rug. The second word, rugs, rugs. Let's repeat after me the first word, rug, rug. The second word, rugs, rugs. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is the verb run, run. The second word, runny, runny. Let's repeat after me the first word, run, run. The second word, runny, runny. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is sun, sun. The second word, sunny, sunny. Let's repeat after me the first word, sun, sun. The second word, sunny, sunny. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is smug, smug. The second word, smugly, smugly. Let's repeat after me the first word, smug, smug. The second word, smugly, smugly. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is smuggle, smuggle. The second one, smuggler, smuggler. Let's repeat after me the first word, smuggle, smuggle. The second word, smuggler, smuggler. Let's continue. The first word is tub, tub. The second one, tubs, tubs. Let's repeat after me. The first word, tub, tub. The second word, tubs, tubs. Let's continue. The first word is umbrella, umbrella. The second word, umbrellas, umbrellas. Let's repeat after me. The first word, umbrella, umbrella. The second word, umbrellas, umbrellas. Let's continue. The first word is ankle, ankle. The second word, ankles, ankles. Let's repeat after me. The first word, ankle, ankle. The second word, ankles, ankles. Let's continue. The first word is under, under. The second word, understand, understand. Let's repeat after me. The first word, under, under. The second word, understand, understand. Let's continue. The first word is unable, unable. The second word, unhappy, unhappy. Let's repeat after me. The first word, unable, unable. The second one, unhappy, unhappy. Let's continue. The first word is undo, undo. The second word is ugly, ugly. Let's repeat after me. The first word, undo, undo. The second word, ugly, ugly. Let's continue. The first word is up, up. The second word is upper, upper. Let's repeat after me. The first word, up, up. The second word, upper, upper. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is us, us. The second word is utmost, utmost. Let's repeat after me. The first word, us, us. The second word, utmost, utmost. Let's go to the next slide. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 29. Until then, see you soon in lesson 30 on House School Hassane and House College Hassane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like for the video if you like the content of the video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed up to now, and activate the bell to get new videos. Thank you. Goodbye and good luck. And a happy Ramadan.